chain. I don't know if you've seen it before. It's called a value chain. We're just going to concentrate on these 5 bottom bits here. Okay, so we're not going to do the secondary activities up there. Basically, what we say is to get the product to the customer's here at the end of this chain. Okay, so it's reading left to right, and to get the product to the customer, we've got to start with the ingredients, the raw materials. We need raw materials for this product. We've then got to make it. We've then got to distribute it. We've then got to sell it. And then we've got to customize it, we've got to personalize it, we've got to make it special for the customer. We can't just sell all the people in the world the same thing. We've got to make it special for each customer. Each customer will want that product in a certain way, and we have to personalize that product for them. So just to remind you, we need the ingredients, we need the raw materials, we need to actually put the product together, we need to make it, we need to get it to the customer. We need to convince the customer that it's a good product, it's worth paying for, and we need to personalize it if we can. Personalize it in some way, make it special for the customer in some way. Okay, now where is Taylor Swift on that value chain? Is Taylor Swift an ingredient? Is she the producer? Is she the distributor? Where is Taylor Swift on that value chain?
Distributor?
No, Taylor Swift isn't a distributor.
I think she want to be all of them.
She wants to run the whole business, the whole show herself. But as a creator of music, where does she fit?
Marketing and sales?
Marketing and sales?
Service.
No, she's not a service either. Oh, wow.
She's the material.
She's the raw material, right? She's the raw material of music. A singer is part of the raw material of music. Now, of course, you need other things in music. You need a composer, you need lyrics, you need musical instruments, you need other things, yeah? But the creator is one of the basic raw materials, maybe the most important raw material of music, yeah? The person that creates the song. So what she is saying is that the value of music is there. It's there. It's in the creator. It's at the beginning. It's in her imagination, maybe the word that she's looking for